Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. We are doing something else with the Japan travel series today. I love talking about our trip to Japan. It was just amazing and great, and I really enjoyed visiting Japan. Today we are talking about what to wear and what not to wear in Japan. So I wanted to make sure when I went that we didn't disrespect the culture or didn't seem out of place. Yes, I'm black, so I'm obviously not Asian, and I don't look Asian. Yes, there are black Asians, but I physically do not have any characteristics of being Asian, so I will stand out anyway. But what I didn't want to do is we didn't want to disrespect their culture by wearing something that would be offensive, or kind of like in Japan, in some restaurants and in some places, they want you to take off your shoes. If you don't know that and you're like, oh no, that's okay, I'm fine. No, take off your shoes. That's respectful. Not in all restaurants and not in all places, but when they ask you to remove your shoes, you should politely remove your shoes. So we wanted to kind of blend in with what everyone was wearing. And me doing my research, it said don't wear jeans. Well, it's not that you can't wear jeans, because while we were there, we saw people wearing jeans. But we didn't see a lot of people wearing jeans. Like, I saw more men wearing jeans than women wearing jeans. So I would see women normally wearing skirts, a lot of skirts, slacks, and sometimes jeans, but not really. And the skirts, they weren't short skirts, they were skirts, and they would have black tights underneath them or socks. And for those who are, I don't know if this private school or not, but when I saw teenagers, they had reminds me when I was in high school, their plaid skirts, and they didn't have tights on or stockings. They had socks on, and their skirts were a bit shorter. But the hotel we were staying at, it was interesting because on their website, it said concerning, what you should wear. It said, a smart suit is essential for business meetings. I'm like, okay, I get that. But we're not having business meetings. We're here on vacation. It also said it is not advisable to go to a first class hotel, theater or restaurant wearing casual clothing. And we were like, so the hotel we're walking into, they're going to expect us to, hey, look, don't think you're gonna come in here with jeans or sweatpants or you didn't see women wearing leggings like you do here in America. That's not something that happened unless they had a skirt over it. Like, knee length or midi type of skirt. Saw a lot of that. But just leggings, yoga pants, I didn't see that at all. And so we were like, okay, I need to pack his khakis. I need to pack some dress pants and some darker colored jeans, because normally darker colored jeans, you can dress up a bit. Lo and behold, we got there. I packed myself wool skirts. We went in the winter, so that's why I packed wool skirts, but wool skirts that were knee length and over. And I put some black tights underneath it and with my boots on. But I'm glad I did that, because the hotel we were staying at, it was right next door to Tokyo Station. And so there was a lot of suits, but even people on vacation who were there, we also went during the Chinese New Year. I mean, we would come down for breakfast and the women were dressed. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm glad I came down here with a skirt and nice shirt. And for men, it was mainly slacks, dress pants. So I'm glad I dressed my husband in more of I bought nice sweaters and slacks. And the last day we wore our jeans downstairs, but there were bits of people at our hotel. When I say bits of people, there would be like one person who had jeans on, or one person who had sweatpants on, and or a couple people wearing sneakers, right? Except their sneakers were like, I asked my husband, it was the guy sitting next to us, and I was like, oh, he's wearing jeans. Oh, and he's wearing sneakers too. Oh, his sneakers are Louboutins. His outfit was very designer-esque. So it was like, oh, okay, so you get a pass. I don't know. But I'm glad that we did dress nicer than just wearing jeans, t-shirts, or what have you. So I would say it depends also where you're staying. So because we were so close to Tokyo Station and with people in business suits and what have you, and our hotel said it is not okay to come in here in casual clothing. We're like, okay, we will dress up a bit more. And boy, am I glad we did, or we would have stood out like sore thumbs if we, not that wearing jeans is sloppy, it's just, it can be seen as more casual. Yeah. Concerning shoes, they were regular casual shoes, or you'll see some Adidas, you'll see some Nike, but they mainly have more casual shoes. Women wore sneakers, but mainly they wore flats or like block heels. And I'm not talking about just working people. I'm just talking about the average person walking down the street, because we were also there on the weekends. And it was a lot of flats, a lot of like kind of like ballet flats. I hope that helps. I know this was quick, and yeah, so don't give it too much worry, but think about it so that you kind of blend in, and unless you want to stand out. So yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing day. I will see you next time, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.